one from المعاصر book, multiple choice question. Question number one, find the area of this trapezium. We want to find the area of trapezium. Then we must divide this trapezium to three parts. First part will be triangle, second part will be rectangle, and the third will be triangle. And the dimensions here from this trapezium, we have the base here was in the first one units, and up 1 2 3 4 5, and rectangle dimensions 2 and 5, 2 and 5, and this triangle number 1 2 3, number 3, letter C here refers to the number 3 was triangle. The area of triangle will be half times the base times the height, and the area 1 about this triangle, half times the base was 1 and the height 5, half times the base times the height will be 2.5 square units, and the area of this rectangle will be 2 product by 5, 2 times 5 equal 10 square units, and the area of this triangle letter C will be half product by 3 by 5, 3 times 5 equal 15, half of 15 it will be 7.5 square units. Okay, we have area 1 2.5, area 2 10 square units, and area about this triangle will be 7.5 square units. Then we can find the area of this trapezium by add area 1, area 2, area 3, A and B and C, add them to find area of trapezium. We can add them, write 2.5 plus 10 plus 7.5, 7.5 plus 2.5 it will be 10, 10 plus 10 it will be 20 square units. Okay, it's the area of this trapezium, shows letter B. Okay, I will solve this example by another method. The another method tell me, no, you must know first base and second base. The first base 3 plus 2 plus 1 it will be 6 units, and the smallest base was 2 units, and the height here was 5. We can write the area of this trapezium by another method. Write area equal half and open these brackets, the sum of two bases 2 plus 6 product by the height 5. 2 plus 6 equal 8, half of 8 it will be 4, 4 product by 5 it will be 20 square units. The area will be 20 square units. You can solve the example by this method or this rule. It's very easy, this rule. Okay, or you can divide this trapezium to three parts: triangle, square, or rectangle. Triangle, rectangle, triangle, and area of A will be 2.5, half times the base times the height, and area of second shape, this rectangle area will be 2 times 5 equal 10 square units. Area of this triangle it will be half times the base times the height, it will be 7.5 square units. In the area of this trapezium it will be 2.5 plus 10 plus 7.5, it will be 20 square units. Or you can, using this rule, have the sum of two bases 2 plus 6 product by the height 5, then the result will be 20 square units. Okay, we have two methods to solve this example. Then the area will be 20 square units. Next example, area of trapezium. Here we have trapezium, two bases and the height. We can write the rule, or you can divide this trapezium to two parts and find the area of this rectangle and this triangle. Okay, I will do here 20 centimeter, and this was 30 centimeter this height, and it will be 20 centimeter like this, and we have 50 centimeter this base, and 20 subtract by 50 it will be 30 centimeter, and corresponding height it will be 30 centimeter like this, because each opposite side are equal lengths in the rectangle. Then I will put here and B. I will found area of A. This A reverse to this rectangle area will be 30 product by 20 equals 600 square units, and area of B reverse to this triangle, it will be half product by the base product by the height. The base was 30 because 50 side, all sizes is base 50 subtract by 20 equals 30. Then this triangle, the base here, it will be what? It will be 30, it's the base, and the height was 30. Half time 30 equal 15. 15 product by 30, 15 product by 30, okay? Write 0 here, and 3 times 15 equal 45. Then the result will be 450 square units. Okay, then last step here, write the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium, it will be 600, this area, plus 450. The result will be 1050 square units. Okay, it's the area of this trapezium. Or you can solve this example by write the rule. The rule here, it will be what? It will be half the sum of two bases, 50, the greatest base 50, and the smallest base was 20, product by the height here was 30. And then write half product by 50 plus 20 equals 70. 70 times 30 divided by 2. The result will be what? 1050 square units. Okay, you can solve this example by this method or this method, as you like. Okay, but this method is very easy to write the rule here, have the sum of two bases product by the height. Then you can find the area with trapezium by this method, or divided this trapezium two parts and find the area of the first part, area of the second part, and then eat them to get the area of this trapezium. Question number 3. Atif used, look at with me about question number 3. Atif used subtraction to correctly find the area of this trapezium. Which expression would represent she did? Okay, Afaf. Okay, Afaf. Sorry, Afaf. Okay, you can solve the example by what? Who can tell me? We have rectangle, and we have inside this was trapezium, and he won't find the area of this trapezium. Okay, we can find the area of this rectangle here. First step, find the area of this rectangle and find the area of the first triangle and second triangle. Some of them, two parts he cancelled from this rectangle to find the area of this trapezium. Okay, first step, you must know what? We must know the dimensions about this rectangle. Okay, count with me the units here about this rectangle. The base was what? How many parts here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 units in the space. And up 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 7. And this base here was how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this base was 4 units. Okay, we can find the area of first here 7 product by 4. The area of this rectangle 7 product by 4. Subtract the area of this triangle and this triangle. Okay, first step, we can count how many parts here. 1 part, and here 2 parts. Then we can write the area of this triangle will be half product by 4 product by 1, plus the area of this triangle half product by 4 by 2. We can solve the example by this method. Okay, find the first step the area of this rectangle, and next step we can find the area of the first triangle, second triangle, and then you can eat them and the result subtract from the area of total part. Here total part of rectangle, the area of rectangle equal length times width. So we will choose what here the result. We will choose sum of two parts here. We can use distributive properties. He used here distributive properties about this example. Subtract by half 4 times 1 and subtract by half 4 times 2. We must choose letter C because he used distributive properties. He writes 7 product by 4, subtract 7 times 4, length times width, subtract by half product by 4 by 1, subtract by half by 4 by 2. Then this example question number 3, you must choose letter C. Okay, choose letter C to find the area of this trapezium. Okay, I have used this method to find the area of this trapezium. Okay, next question, which expression would represent the area of trapezium? The area of trapezium, it will be half times base times height. Half times base times height. About this trapezium, here we have area 1 and area 2 area 3. Okay, he divided this trapezium to 3 parts. First step, I will draw this trapezium and divide it to 3 parts. First part, the base was 1 and up, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. And down here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lenses, okay? 4 lenses. And here, this triangle, the base was 1, 2, 3, and the height was 5. Then we have A and B and C. We can find area 1, area 2, area 3, and 8 of them. Area 1 here, it will be half product by the base 1 product by the height. And area 2, length times width. Rectangles, area of rectangle equal length times width, 4 times 5. And area of this triangle will be half product by the base product by the height. Okay, he won't find the solution set will be what? Half times 1 times 5, 4 times 5, half times 3 times 5. It will be letter C. You must choose letter C about question number 4. Okay, it's the result about this example. Question number 4, choose letter C. Last question here, find the area of this trapezium. Okay, to find the area of this trapezium, you must know the rule, or you can divide it, this trapezium to 3 parts and find the area of each one of them and each of them. Okay, I will solve the example by easy method. Easy method here, look at with me about easy method, and I will explain another method from your book. Okay, easy method tell us the two bases 5 centimeter and 14 centimeter, and this height was 3 centimeter. You can find the area, right? Half the sum of two bases, the greatest base 14 and the smallest base 5, product by corresponding height was 3. Then the area will be half product by 14 plus 14 plus 5, it will be 19 product by 3. Okay, understood? You can find the result. It will be what? It will be 1 and half of 3, it will be 1.5, product by 19, it will be 28 and half square centimeter. Choose letter D. Okay, I will solve the example by another method, by divided this trapezium to 3 parts. Okay, first step, it was 3 centimeter and 14 subtract by 6 here, 14, it's all side 14, subtract by 6 equal 8, and this side length was 5 centimeter. 5 plus 6 equal 11. 11 subtracted from 14, it will be 3 centimeter here. Okay, then we can find the area by first here, half product by the base product by the height. Area by this rectangle, length times width, right? 5 product by 3, and the area about this triangle, half times base times height. Then 9 times 9 equal 3 times 3 9, half of 9, it will be 4.5 plus 3 times 5 equal 15, half of 6 3, 3 times 3 equal 9, and then 5 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 4 equal 28. And write 5 here is a decimal. 28 and 5 tenths square centimeter. Okay, we have two solutions about this example. Okay.